So I'm just out for an early morning walk beside the lake in Ohrid. There's this amazing cycleway walkway running down beside the lake. Seems to go for miles. I've already walked for about 20 something minutes in this direction and it just keeps going. Looks great. So I came out here to try and show you the snakes, freshwater snakes. I can't see any, so I'll try and get the video I'll put up. But in the meantime, there was a party last night. Looks like people have gone crazy with the rubbish. So we're going to do a quick tidy up. Alright, let's sorted that out. I'll send them a bill for the tidy up. So they only had to walk from out there to the rubbish bin here to drop that stuff off. Some people just don't give a shit. Never mind. Such a lovely place, it seems a shame to have it treated like that. Right, time for some breakfast. Just on our way to dinner. This is the main kind of shopping bazaar area of Ohrid. Slightly fancier kind of touristy shops. This is kind of one of the main square areas. The mosque is in the distance there, and that tree in the foreground there, that tree is apparently between 600 and 1,000 years old. It's been here for a very long time. And down this way, looking into the sun. See if we can get out of the sun a bit. There we go, that's better. There's a street with a whole lot of restaurants on it, which we're going to go to one for dinner. And there's another mosque just there. Right, so this is the restaurant we're going to. It's one we went to the other night. It's got nice local cuisine and it was very tasty and good value. There's a few other ones down here, but yeah, this is the one we're going to go back to. It's a locally run family kind of restaurant. Really nice. I think that'll be our table under the fan. Here's our selection of local cuisine. So we've got a goulash, a skopska salad, and a
pork and mushroom.
Something or other miso, which is a pork and mushroom dish, and some beers. Yum. And here I was worried about swimming in the lake with the freshwater snakes. Look at these people. No thank you. It's a good example of the Macedonian alphabet and language up there. Very hard to read.